Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Zenfotec Solutions. My name is Sunny, and today I would like to talk to you about one of the common issues that we face when we start practicing on SAP Ides System. That is, the data is logged by a particular user and can be displayed only. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the general error that you face whenever you're trying to access a particular T code. Now, we need to understand one thing: the shared servers are used by multiple people at the same time. So there can be instances where you're trying to access a particular T code and you will find that someone else is already working on that particular transaction. So when you try to put in the T code, this is the screen that you will be getting to see. Now, my advice is whatever steps that I'm going to show you, use that only if the screen has been like this for over 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or let's say 15 minutes to be more patient. So maybe you tried after half an hour and the page is still there. So at that point, the chances are the user would have entered the transaction and then he would have left the screen and have gone about his work. So he didn't properly log out from the page. So, having waited 15 minutes and above, I think we're in a position where we can go and execute the process to release this particular T code from that user. In this practical, I'm going to show you how do you do that. All right, so let's get to it. So here we have a shared server and I'm going to punch in the T code OX17. Okay, as you can see, we are welcomed with this message: locked data. The data is locked by user and can be displayed only. Do you want to display the locked data? Well, if you say yes, you don't see the create new option, right? You're just able to see things, but you can't create anything. So this is a display mode that we are into. All right, so let me show you how do we ensure that we are also able to see this page. So what I'll do now is I will start by entering /n, okay, and then I'm going to enter the transaction code TCode SM12. I repeat, SM12. Now press enter. There you go. All right, so important thing is you need to remember which user is blocking the particular T code. Okay, just to be sure, I'll open a new page /o OX17. So it is been blocked by HANA 69. So I'm going to type HANA 69 and then press search. So now I'm going to select this particular transaction. I'm going to click on delete selected locks. So deleting locks that are still in use may lead to inconsistency. Note that this action will be documented in the system log. Do you want to proceed? So please do not try this in your real system, your office system. You will not have an access, first thing, but don't even try to navigate into it, because as you can see, everything is being documented in the log, and when the auditing happens, you will be in a problem. So don't do that. And this is not a problem that will happen in a real system, because there is every user has a license, so every user has all the freedom to go through different transaction code. These issues are only to do with IDES system or education system. All right, so I'm going to click delete. So now we have released that. Let us go back and I'm going to try again OX17. As you can see, the new entries option is now enabled. All right. I hope this gives you some clarity. In case if you find this video useful, please do consider giving us a like. If you have any suggestions, drop us a comment, and please do share this video with your friends and family, and please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.